Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a super lovely savory recipe. We're going to bake broccoli brown rice muffins. This is a lovely recipe for little ones. It's a nice idea for lunch boxes. It's a nice appetizer for an adult party, or simply a light meal for the whole family. This recipe is a lovely idea for picky eaters if they do not like vegetables, because you can really add as many vegetables as you like, chop them finely, and mix them with the cheesy rice so that your little ones will enjoy the muffins without any problem. Also, if you're following the baby-led weaning method, this is a lovely finger food idea. And in addition to everything, this is also a lovely kids party idea. Small, singular portions for every kid. But let's start together the recipe. First thing to do, we are going to preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Prepare the muffin tin, greasing it with some extra virgin olive oil and dust with some almond meal. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients, starting from the cooked rice, the broccoli that I previously chopped in tiny pieces, the eggs, the yogurt, the cheese, the garlic, and the salt. For this recipe, I used sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use other kind of cheeses. What you're looking for is a kind of aged cheese, so with some character, with some flavor, but it can also melt with the rice. Also, for picky eaters, for a more uniform texture, you can blend all the ingredients in the food processor so that you will obtain a kind of thick cream. And your kids will not notice the different colors and different pieces of vegetables inside. Fill each hole of the muffin tin with the rice and vegetable mix and bake in preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 15-20 minutes. And you will see that a nice golden color will be formed on top. Let the muffin cool down for 5 minutes and simply enjoy. Can you freeze the muffins if you have leftovers? Yes, you can. Simply freeze them for up to, I would say, 2-3 months, or you can store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. If you have any comment, leave them in the area here below. If you're looking for similar recipes, check the links in the area here below. And if you're looking for the ingredients and the procedure with all the details, the link to my blog, it's also in the area here below. And last thing, and most important one, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week, you will receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!